The personal injury market is growing fast. It is becoming increasingly more difficult for your firm to differentiate themselves. At the same time, customer needs and expectations are rapidly changing. With One Law, we have tailored our solutions to match the growing needs of your firm and clients. Your clients want access to their case information 24 hours a day. Amelia is here to ensure this happens. Historically, people like to be called and spoken to. While the telephone is still strong, your clients now prefer email and texting too. Amelia works alongside your clients to bridge the gap of communication by acquiring information and completing tasks. With Amelia, your staff has a virtual conversational agent for assistance, while your clients can communicate with her through every channel. Your clients don't want to be put on hold. To help your receptionist with high call volumes, Amelia can immediately transfer them depending upon their unique needs. Amelia's time to resolution is 60% faster than a human. Faster time to resolution leads to happier callers, which leads to more business. While your clients receive immediate assistance, your receptionists gain back time to focus on difficult tasks. Studies show that about 33% of a work year is consumed by repetitive tasks like giving clients updates. Amelia is scalable. She can handle roughly 20,000 calls at the same time and is currently saving our clients' receptionists around 180 hours a month in calls. This allows you more time to talk to the clients that really need help and more time to complete other tasks. On your website, Amelia is your visitor's personal concierge. She can provide case information, answer questions about your firm, information about your website content, and qualify new leads. Most chatbots you see on the market can only answer one-dimensional questions. Amelia uses spread activation to switch intents, as actual users do, assuring the conversation flows seamlessly. Amelia can handle the conversation from beginning to end, offering real-time solutions. There are dozens of client portals on the market, but they all seem to do the same thing: provide a simple messaging service between clients and their legal teams. Most portals only receive the information clients decide to provide. Leveraging Amelia allows for the ability to extract useful information about your clients' cases directly from your CRM system. Amelia will ask specific questions about the client's injuries, day in the life activities, upcoming appointments, and the outcome of recent doctor visits.
I see you recently saw your doctor and had an X-ray taken. Did you get the results?
Even more, she can inquire about new injuries and changes in their daily lives to provide your team with constant case updates. Since introducing Amelia to the client portal, activity has increased by 65%. With Amelia extracting useful information through conversation, we have seen increases in settlements. In one case, Amelia's conversation revealed new information that changed the value of the settlement from a $10,000 case to over a $100,000 case. The app is designed to work natively in your mobile phone. The phone app allows your clients immediate access to their client portal. She can capture a client's comments and requests, records and logs all of their information, and then immediately sends it to their legal team. Amelia can also gather information about potential new clients and cases and then sends their info to the intake department. With facial recognition, clients can securely talk to Amelia within seconds. Voice enablement allows clients to speak directly to Amelia without having to push any buttons. If a client is in an accident, this tool can become especially valuable so they can quickly and effortlessly tell Amelia what happened with zero hold times and less stress. Amelia can also help direct your client in real time to accurately and thoroughly capture critical accident information and photos. From multilingual and cognitive conversational capabilities to 24/7 client access to the portals and apps, Amelia continues to increase customer satisfaction every day. Amelia is helping drive better communications between your clients and firm employees faster than ever. Stay tuned to find out more information about Amelia's One Law journey.